Makanda ngasimbire a high court ahaha ari Kampala road kandi omushango ogutwaba turimu ogwaba guri ogwa Dr. Besigye okujonanizibwa nabatahibeye ababasize kuba nebakomwa umumishango yo kushanga ngu nebaryamu ensi yabwe orukwe omushango ogu erizo batugwabasa kuba niguhurirwa abo kugamba Dr. Besigye amagarageye tigari marungi kandi gwabasa kuba nigongezebwayo mpaka ebero 24 okwezi okwa kabiri omwaka 2026 okushabwa kwaba kuriho omukoteri izoba ngu bakunde barete Besigye ahankora eya Zoom abase kuba nahoza emishango yeye nabo banyina basize kuba bakwatwa hamwe nawe omushango eya treason baitu tichabasika kugamba ni kigamba Dr. Besigye tachine namani go kurugo mu kashenje akarimu akandi akagenda honyina bakora conference nichongera ni kigambwa Dr. Besigye yasha bashaba koti ba lawyers aba Dr. Besigye koti ebase kuba netwara obujunanizibwa okwikiriza Dr. Besigye okugenda okujanja bibuga omwirwaro ryona eriya kubasa kuba natungamu orukumu eriya kunzire kuruga amutima gweye baitu omuramuzi yabasa kuba nagamba reka banze bakireba omu weeks ishatu eziba basa kuba nabahereza umushango gukongera kuhurirwa amagaraga Besigye kugaragumize mugari kubi babashe kuba bamutwara omwirwaro eriya kubasa kuba nakunda okuzamu baitu nke binji munonga ntuza kuba ntukwisiaho baitu bwanyuma ya koti twabasa kuba nitugambaho na Lord Mayor omwari yabo abebembeiriye okutonganira Dr. Besigye kureba ngu omushango ogwayine yabasa kuba nagusingura ebi nibyo yabasa kuba naganiraho nitwe omurukungana rw'abanyamahurire bwanyuma ya koti okushitama.
And witnessed, court indicated that they got a communication from the registrar, and the registrar was actually relaying information from the prisons authorities that Dr. Besigye is indisposed and could not attend court today. What shocked us is the prayer they made that the proceedings be conducted virtually, and they never explained exactly what was going to be done about the doctor's failing health. That was rather disturbing to us. All they were interested in is the proceedings to continue, not about stabilizing the doctor's health, which was really absurd. So we made our case here that proceedings could not continue under such circumstances where Dr. Besigye is indisposed, and also we objected to the virtual trial because, you know, the Constitution commands that an accused person must be here personally unless they themselves dispense with that right of appearing physically, which is not the case. So definitely the proceedings are aborted on that account, and the judge had to adjourn the matter to the 24th day of February for scheduling. But we again are concerned about the deteriorating health of Dr. Besigye because our prayer has not been granted by the judge. You know, the Honorable Winnie Byanyima and a couple of our colleagues have been visiting Dr. Besigye and doing everything possible to secure his evacuation to some better facilities outside the prisons precincts. Unfortunately, they have not been able to succeed. So we thought the court would intervene and make directives that the doctor be transferred to a facility of his choice. Again, a rude shock has been given to us when the judge declined to grant that well-intentioned prayer that actually Dr. Besigye be accorded medical facilities that he deserves. Unfortunately, the judge treated it casually like that let's keep monitoring the situation. If it worsens, then probably they may be able to intervene. But how worse can it be if you have an accused person who cannot stand a trial, who cannot appear in a court, and it's confirmed by the prisons authorities, it is confirmed by court that actually can't even